Okay, how inspiring was that? Now, for the part you've been waiting for. Awesome ideas for how you can create your own special celebration for your mom. 1. The all-time classic. Breakfast in bed. There's a reason this one is a classic. With a little help from another adult, you can whip up your mom's favorite breakfast. Put it on a tray, maybe with a small flower and a homemade card, and you've got the perfect start to her special day. 2. Become a DIY gift master. A gift you make yourself is a gift straight from the heart. You could create a scrapbook filled with your favorite pictures and memories together, writing little notes about why you love each moment. Or, get out the craft supplies and make some one-of-a-kind jewelry, paint a picture, or design a beautiful card. 3. Make a personalized playlist. Music is like a time machine for memories. Create a special playlist just for her with songs she loves, songs that were popular when she was a teenager, and maybe even some silly songs from your favorite cartoons. It's a gift she can listen to whenever she wants to smile. 4. Be a chef for the day. With mom, instead of just cooking for her, why not team up and cook with her? Pick a special recipe you can make together, whether it's her favorite cookies or a fancy cake. The time spent laughing and making a mess in the kitchen is a gift in itself. 5. Create an at-home spa day. Time to get chill. Turn your living room or bathroom into a relaxing spa. With a grown-up's help, you can light some candles, play calm music, and pamper your mom. Give her a foot soak, paint her nails, or give her a gentle hand massage to help her relax. 6. Direct your own movie. Get ready for your close-up. Create a video montage for her. Use a simple app to put together old photos and video clips of you and your mom with her favorite song in the background. It's like a time machine of your best moments together. And if your mom, grandma, or aunt lives far away, you can still make her day amazing. Plan a virtual dinner date over a video call, or send her a bunch of short, fun video messages throughout the day to let her know you're thinking of her. Whatever you decide to do, the most important gift you can give is telling the mothers and caregivers in your life how much you love them. The hugs, the I love yous, and the time you spend together are what they'll cherish forever. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. What are your family's special Mother's Day traditions? Tell us all about them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. And if you had fun learning with us, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome history and fun ideas. Thanks for hanging out with us.